This looks so good. It looks so good. I did get the soft clothes. Hold on. I think because they're so big, they have to be pushed a little harder. Look at that. Soft clothes. So before I start my day, I'm gonna go take a breather outside and then I'm gonna come back in and I have to start working to get the board and batten done. They're gonna put the top on here, get the facing on, and then I'm gonna get to work. There's been a crazy storm. So in the midst of doing a home renovation, I have opted to go get a root canal, and the side of my teeth is killing me. I've come to a very clear understanding that it's okay to be blessed and stressed at the same time. Because I'm stressed, but I also feel blessed. Isn't that crazy? Maybe not. Videos that are trending online and they're like, she doesn't like bags and shoes because she likes this, sir. She likes this and she wants this. Okay? We need trim, shoe molding. All right, so my guys have left this like this. I got my mic here and I have a mic here because I want y'all to hear. This thing is definitely on. I'm about to start putting in the interior trim and then I have to skim the walls. You can come inside. It's okay. Yeah, you're good. And then we're gonna go. They just bought my machine from the garage into the back. I'm gonna go get my plug so I get to work.
Let me give you a thick. Now you have longer.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You can try it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You think I'm wrong?
Yeah.
You want to bet?
Huh?
You want to bet? Do you want to bet? Do you want to bet?
No, but just
No bet?
try it. Just try it.
Just try it? Okay, hold on.
It is supposed.
Hold on, because one's broken. Hold on. I want to make sure. Okay, hold this. It's not too short. Let me see.
This is for the bottom.
Yeah. What would you like to say to me now?
How you did it?
Hi, yeah.
Como la marcó, fíjate. Porque la marcó aquí, mira. Aquí. Pero sigue aquí.
No, because you know what I do? This is the top, right? So I measure like this, and then you see I put the line. So that way when I cut it, I know that I'm cutting that way. There's more than one way to do it. Your way's right too, but that's how my brain just.
Pero why you don't put it like this?
Cause this one here's a little bit bigger.
Huh?
They're not the same.
Oh,
They're not the same size.
okay.
Yeah. This one's a little bit bigger.
Okay. I don't say nothing.
Okay.
So my toxic trait is I am always in thrall when someone new comes around and they question, what are you doing? You can't know what you're doing. I think you're doing it wrong. First of all, you're doing it wrong. You should, my carpenter here, he's never seen me work. I know everything that he said was coming from a really good place. But doing this for so long, I realize how often I really have to stand my ground, because guess what? There's more than one way to skin a cat, and just because I'm not doing it your way, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm doing it wrong. But I am definitely here to learning new techniques. So when the guys have something to offer, I definitely take it. But it's always interesting when they think I know absolutely Nathan.
One of the best decisions I made, especially now, is watching my father work. I'm gonna leave this loose because I need to take this and bring it up just a little bit more, but it'll be good to go. Ooh. A comment that I get quite often: how do you do anything with them nails? Like, I could never. Your never and my never look very different. Don't let that go over your head. Your never and my never look very different. And please don't let that go over your head.
I know how much you guys enjoy when I post the long videos, but there's so much information to share that I don't just want to put out the content. Pretty much the next video is going to be me making the drawers. Now, I've done this video before, but I do understand that there's a lot of new people coming onto the page who have not seen the work, and they will not go through the previous content to watch it. So with this one here, I'm gonna do my best to see if I can add a playlist. I think I could do that even while I'm at work and I'm sitting and I have a moment to myself. That will go down the entire history of the bench to see how I can do it, because every single time I do it, I've done it differently. But this is how I like to do the facing of the drawers. I will be sharing full details on material, what to use, the brad nailer, all that stuff will also be linked. And if you just happen to be watching this video and you say to yourself, Nadia, why do I need this? Why do I need to come back? this is why you should come back. So the carpenter was actually going to build this facing instead of the previous one, and you can just see the difference in the variation between the first and the second. I actually like the one that I'm doing, but this is also an option for you. It requires a lot more tools, but I just want to show you that if you don't have a carpenter and you're doing it on your own, my method works and it still looks really good. So definitely come back, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.